Hi, little friends. Welcome back to English Bath Kids. Today, we're going to play a fun guessing game. Can you guess these farm animals? Look carefully and say the answer out loud. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? Can you guess? Cow. It's a cow. Cow. Moo, moo. Great job. What is this? Look carefully. Pig. It's a pig. Pig. Oink, oink. Awesome. What is this? What's hiding here? Chicken. It's a chicken. Chicken. Cluck, cluck. You're doing great. What is this? Can you see it? Duck. It's a duck. Duck. Quack, quack. Let's keep going. What is this? Do you know this animal? Horse. It's a horse. Horse. Neigh, neigh. Fantastic. What is this? It looks soft and fluffy. Sheep. It's a sheep. Sheep. Ba, ba. Wonderful. What is this? Look closely. Goat. It's a goat. Goat. Ma, ma. Nice work. What is this? Who wakes everyone up in the morning? Rooster. It's a rooster. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Amazing. What is this? It has long ears. Can you guess? Donkey. It's a donkey. Donkey. Hee-haw. Great job. And now, the last animal. What is this? Can you guess? Rabbit. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Hop, hop. Yay! You found them all. You did an amazing job today. Let's say the animals one more time. Cow. Pig. Chicken. Duck. Horse. Sheep. Goat. Rooster. Donkey. Rabbit. Fantastic! Thank you for playing with English Bath Kids today. See you next time. Bye-bye.